C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for heart. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nail. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for quill. R for rose. S for sunflower. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching.